Bye-bye. Somebody commented yesterday that Dollar Pizza has not been in the vlog in a while. I think I've successfully given it up. Just like cigarettes, it was really hard at first and all I thought about, but it's been a couple months and it's like no longer part of who I am. What's up, dog? Well, it's Singapore, South Korea, England. This TV here has live feeds from Beme, 1, 2, 3, with the location at the bottom. It's awesome. Great Britain, France, Great Britain. Nice. Whoever sent me those stickers, thank you. Speaking of people sending me stuff, I did have other plans for today's vlog, but in the interest of getting my office back, today is definitely going to be about addressing this situation. I have a 3D printer and I printed this. Follow DeGranger on Beme. Ready? His username is thank you DeGranger for my 3D printed Beme Bee. Alright, I won't cut. I like that you wrote that on a napkin. That's pretty sweet. Wait till you see this. It's a gigantic me! Casey, we're clearly sending you a piñata for publicity. Franklin, I like your honesty. We make big ass custom piñatas. Okay, for all of my viewers who are in dire need of a huge custom piñata, please solicit piñatacasa.com. Please don't tell my boss. Thank you. This is amazing. Thank you. It looks just like me. And I've got a huge head. It's not even that much bigger than my head. How's it, Casey? We're South Africans that make biltong right here in New Jersey. Biltong is sort of like beef jerky, but it's about 1,000 times better, and it's all you eat when you're in South Africa. Thank you guys. The team will love these. I'm gonna have to plug this into a computer and see what it says. That's not very visually appealing, so I will check this out, but A knife? I mean, I always appreciate it when people send me knives. It also is a little bit scary and slightly threatening. Okay, whoever sent me this awesome, homemade, custom-made, oh, look at this. That's my name. Cigar box, thank you. I love handmade stuff. This clearly is. I'll see what it says on my USB drive later, I promise. Solid. Whoa, this came from Japan. From Japan. Casey, we love your vlog. We love Beme. Kisses from Tokyo. You guys sure do know how to say the right things. Thank you. Whoa, look at all these Japanese treats. Today's mealtime's great. Look at that. Handmade by Mexican women in a local communities with lots of love. Thank you, Sarah from Mexico. I will put this on Candace's bike. This is what you call a saddlebag for a bicycle. Pyro shooter and flash pad bundle. What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. Failure to do so may result in personal injury. By purchasing this product, you unconditionally agree to the following elements. Buyer irrevocably agrees to fully indemnify. Okay, whoever sent me this did not include their name or a letter. I don't know what this is. I guess I'll look it up online. Thank you. It seems very dangerous and explosive. I'm gonna put it down here. Jack and Casey, thank you for all the work at Beme. Thanks, Jake. I'll make sure Jack sees the letter. Here we are doing it. Thank you, Cody, I think, for these sweet fan-made Beme stickers. All right. That concludes today's mail time. Not as severe of a mess as last week. Now I'm gonna spend the next 40 minutes cleaning this up. Okay, do you know how to ride a regular skateboard?
Yes.
How well?
Decently well.
Okay, let's do this. All right, we're gonna go skateboard.
See you later.
You ready?
See you later. Ready as I'll ever be. What's the stop out at?
25.
5.
Yo, what's up, kids?
Casey.
You guys are in such luck today.
Nice.
I got the new Beme stickers.
Beme stickers.
Bye, guys. Nice to meet you.
Bye.
You pull down the trigger. This goes forward.
Okay.
This goes backwards. Here you go. Good luck.
Okay. So just...
Oh, get my skateboard. Get my skateboard. Sam's my friend. He's also a first timer on the boosted board, but he seems to be doing really well.
How do you...
You're on it backwards.
What's the trick there? Like, what's the...
All right, I gotta get home to my baby. Sam, I'll see you later. Keep it.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, have fun. Don't go breaking a hip.